In this session, let us go for the remaining commands from the surfaces. Okay, first we'll go for half set, that is, this is simple half set, already we have seen in wireframe. Then this is variable half set, and this is a rough half set. First we'll go for the variable half set. Going for the extrude here, one surface I'm taking in this way, and one more surface on the YZ plane. By taking the profile as in this way, and I'll project this endpoint, convert that as a construction for the reference purpose to coincide this point with this point. And now again on the same plane, I'm projecting this endpoint. I'll go for the third sketch. Then extrude it. Now I'll take the variable half set. Global surface. It is asking for the global surface, but what are the surfaces we have done? All these are individual surfaces. So it requires a global surface. In the global surface, right click here, create join. Now I am joining these three extrudes so that it is going to become as one surface. Then select the sub part to half set to give the different offset values. Select the surface one by one. For the selected surface, offset distance I am giving as 10 mm. Click the second one. For this offset distance I'll take it as 20. For the third one, offset distance 18. Now see the distances from here, the offset distance 10, 20 and 18. This is the original one, this is the resulted one. Offset variable offset has taken place by given values. Okay, next we'll go for the rough offset. So select the surface to make the offset. Here also, actually, what is the surface you want to make it rough offset? These three surfaces I want to make it as one entity. So here again I am using create join, picking these three. Then offset distance, let it be 25 mm, and click on the preview to see the result. And now this is the offset result. I need on the top side, reverse direction. This is a rough offsetted surface. Now vary the distance here. A rough offset is going to take place. Now both sides, if you need on both sides, take the option on both sides. Both sides will get the offset value. This is variable offset. Okay, next we'll go for from the wireframe toolbar. Extra commands we have seen here. Then from the wireframe, the extra command is combine curve. Already we have seen this reflect line. Then we'll go for the combine curve. On a YZ plane, one sketch. And on ZX plane, one more sketch. So combine curve, I want to combine this curve and this curve. These two curves I want to combine. So this curve projects normally and this curve also projects normally. The option we have given as normal. So this is a solution here. These two curves are combining at this position. So these two curves are projected in these respective directions. So this is a solution for this one. And what are the curves we have taken? These curves are 2D curves. Now I want to project the 3D curves. So I will create the 3D curves. With these two curves I want to combine these two curves. So these curves I have created in a freestyle workbench. Then I am coming to the generative shape design. Combine these two curves. So select the curve one by one. So when I select that curve, it has given that warning that a planar curve or a profile is required. A 3D curve, that is the first selected curve, is not a planar curve or a profile. So replace it with a planar curve or a profile. So here it's not a 2D curve, it's a 3D curve. Then instead of taking the projection direction normal, I will take the option as along directions. That is the user defined direction we can project it, and give the second curve also. Then define the direction 1 for the first curve. The projection direction for the first curve I am giving as y direction, and for the second curve let it be x. We'll check it whether the combining is possible or not. So this curve is projected in this way, this curve is projected in x direction. So this is the result here. This is curve combine. Change the direction depending upon that one, the result is varied here. Or give another direction, I'll give the z axis. So depending upon the projection direction, result is going to be vary. It gives us x axis, no solution for this one. Or now you try with the z axis, for this also no solution. Then I'll go with x and z, or this is y and z. So this is a solution for this one. As combining the 3D curves also possible. The next parallel curve. Now one curve, I'll create it and we'll go for the extrude command. And I need one curve on the surface, and this is a non-planar surface, so that I can't draw the curve on the surface, but I can project the curve on the surface. So to project, first I will create one curve, that is a curve I am taking as somewhat a simple line here. Then go for the project this curve on a surface along a direction. I will give the direction as y axis. In the direction it has projected. Okay, and you hide the initial drawn sketch. Then I'll take the parallel curve, select the curve to make a parallel curve, select the support surface, and offset distance let it be 10 mm. Now one curve we got it exactly, which is parallel to the initial curve. Check it from front view. Exactly that curve is lying on the surface.